All right. So let's talk about using the area model for division. Okay, let me remind you, when it's multiplication, it looks something like this, and we fill in the inside to get our answer. That's how it works with multiplication. We just did that problem. So for division, the inside doesn't give us our answer, it's this part outside. So here's our first problem. 120 divided by 8. We just did this problem in another example. So we're gonna use it because I already know what the answer should be, and that helps me figure things out. So to use the area model, I'm not gonna build it out all the way. I'm gonna keep it open because I'm building the inside as I divide. So I'm gonna put this digit here. And like I said, we're filling in the inside. We're trying to get this part up here for our answer for division. So I'm trying to make the inside, whatever's in here, equal 120. Okay, that's my goal because that's the number. So then I think to myself, 8 times what gets me pretty close to 120? Oh, well, 8 times 10 I know gets me to 80. So that can be my first section. And let me think, if I'm at 80, how much do I have left to build? So I can subtract to figure that out. You could probably do this in your head. I have 40 left. So then I think, 8 times what would get me to 40? That's all I need left, and it's 5. So look at this. This part now is your answer for division. Add that together, and we know our answer is 15. Let's try another one. What if I gave you 295 divided by 5? Okay, same idea. Don't build it out all the way. I'm gonna put 5 here, and I'm trying to get the inside of this to add up to 295. But let's use easy numbers. I know, let me think, I know 5 times 2 makes 10. But if I just use 10, that's gonna be a lot to get all the way up to 200. So can I just add a 0? 5 times 20, and that makes it 100? Let's count on our fingers. So 5 times 20, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, boom. Okay, so I took out 100. Can I take out another 100? Yeah, I can because I have 295. So I'm gonna do that again. I'm still building. Okay, let me do some quick math over here. I have to make it to 295, and I've already taken out 200. What do I have left? I have 95 left. My brain doesn't know something that's 5 times a number that gets me to 95, but I know that 5 times 10 gets me to 50. That was easy for my brain. And then if I subtract that, now all I have left to build is 45, and that's easy. I know 5 times 9 is 45, so here's my answer. We just add those together. 20 plus 20 plus 10 plus 9. 20 and 20 make 40. 40 plus 10 makes 50, and plus 9 is 59. So my answer is 59. You can always check this with a calculator. You need to know how to do it this way or some way without a calculator, but you can always check it just to be sure. Or an easy way is to multiply. So if I want to multiply 59 times 5, put 5 here, break it up 50 and 9. See how this is the opposite of what we just did? Because it's multiplication now. So 5 times 5 is 25, add my 0. 5 times 9 is 45. 250 plus 45 gets me to 295. Boom, it worked. All right, so here are the things you need to be able to do as a 6th grader. You need to be able to multiply in some way. If it's this, if it's the standard algorithm, if it's partial products, as long as you're getting the right answer, that's great. You also need to be able to divide. If it's like this, or if it's partial quotients like this, or if you understand long division, that's great. You just need to be confident and competent, that means able to do it in one of those ways.